Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this video is going to be about the helmet that I purchased from VIPER in the best price, and I think this is the best helmet under 5,000. This is the manual and the stickers that you get inside the box. These two empty stickers. This is certification that it is ECE dot certified helmet. This is the user manual. Basically describes the helmet parts and stuff. One size, quick change visor, multi-density inner, blah blah, and the whole inside is washable. That's about it. This is the helmet, and this is the helmet. Let's open this cover. Look how cool this helmet looks. This is the serpent's eye. The whole helmet is VIPER themed. Man, this color looks very good. And this is how the helmets look in the broad daylight. Unfortunately, the sun is not out yet. The quality of this helmet is top notch. You can easily open the visor with single-handedly, and this is not quite easy with other helmets, and I will show you in my next videos, as I have two more helmets to review. And the vacuum seal is so good in this helmet that you hear a thump when you close the visor. Listen closely. So satisfying. It comes with the D hooks, which is far better than the quick release mechanisms. All the padding can be removed, and you get this cool protective chin net. And this padding, all of the padding comes out and can be washed. And the visor can be quick released. Just simply you have to just pull this and the visor comes off. This helmet has couple of air vents. The first one is here, the second one are here, and the last one these, for complete ventilations in the helmet. The quality of this rubber is top notch, like you find it in cars. And you can also install anti-fog visor inside this visor, here and here. So this was the video of the new empty helmet that I bought from VIPER. Hope you guys have enjoyed it, and more helmet videos will be coming soon, as I have two more helmets sitting at my home. And now this is how the helmet looks after you wear it. Okay, this was the video of the new empty helmet that I brought from Japan, and more helmet videos will be coming on my channel, as I have two more helmets sitting at my home. Thank you for making me a part of your day. Like this video if you've enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you for watching.